slime lane, I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Our still back here once again. And today we're taking a look at another pair of Yeezy 700 magnets. This time these are from SneakerWade, or Wade, however you guys know him. I believe I've done 1 or 2 other reviews on him of me trying out his stuff prior. So this is going to be my second or third. I don't know, to be 100%. I don't remember that far back. I don't buy from him often, but I should, because his quality is on point, service on point, just the way he treats customers in general is superb. So I'm not gonna make this video super long though, regardless, just because this is just a normal pair of 700s in a new colorway, and I already reviewed a pair. I don't know which video is going up first, so this video might be the first one to go up, and then I got another one on the way. I don't know, we'll see what happens. So let's get into it. These took about a week to get here. Shipped with EMS. They came here perfect condition, came bubble wrapped in a double box. Super dope job on the shipping. Oh, I forgot to mention though guys, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, subscribe if you wanna. If you don't, whatever, like the video, show some love that way, turn on notifications. Last but not least, follow the Instagram down below description. So let's take a look at this. I don't think I missed anything. I'm trying to think. Nah, I don't think I missed anything. They took about a week to get here. I already said that. So let's take a look at this too. This is all the information. So that's the website, sneakerwade.com. The WhatsApp is right there, and Instagram is at WOWO_sneaker. So there's that Instagram. Follow that. If y'all want to contact him on either that Instagram or WhatsApp, feel free. Let's put the shoes to the side real quick. Take a look at the box. It does just say 700 on the top, Boost on the side. Got this stuff on the top for the size, so it does look accurate. You guys decide for yourselves based on that shot. Not gonna say too much more. Inside the box just has the Yeezy paper. One nice thing is I didn't even have to ask, he included the StockX stuff, which is also always a plus. So there's that initiative. So you got the StockX paperwork, and then you do also have this little StockX sticker, which for once looks like 100% proper. I like the cut on that too. So shouts out to Wade. He killed it with the packaging, presentation, all that sort of stuff. On point, nothing more to say. So let's take a look at the shoes. You do of course have the StockX tag. We'll go over first. Just says verified authentic on the other side. Let me see, I'll show y'all. Verified authentic on this side. So there's that. On this you got the Yeezy Boost 700 RFID with the proper size, all that on it. Got the regular Yeezy stuff that comes with it. And yeah, here is the shoe guys. Again, let me know your thoughts on it, comment section down below. One thing I pointed out in my last review, I don't know again which one will go out first, but it's just this glitter look on like the outside of the like kind of the lip of these, where the suede ends really, so, or starts, depending how you're looking at it. So it's kind of like glittery. It's pretty neat, or like 3M glitter, I don't really know. It's pretty sick. I've never seen that before. One thing I am pointing out, yeah, so one thing I did point out on the other one, sorry, I was reading text, that was my bad, but one thing I did point out on the other one is the mesh on this is super fine. So basically the 3 stripes that you'd regularly see that are 3M underneath the mesh, you're not going to be able to see on these Magnet 700s, just because how fine the mesh is. There again is that glitter look, but yeah, you can just see like the mesh very, very fine compared to the first 700s that ever dropped. So got the suede on the front, super dope quality. It does change color as you touch it and stuff, so that's always dope to see. 3M panels over here, and here. You see cutouts are nice and clean. Stitching is on point on these as well. My last pair was also. So Yeezy Adidas, Yeezy on the inside. Get the size tag 9.5. So there's all that. Paint job is on point. You got the Boost on the bottom, which is super soft. It's dope, man. They just got the gum sole. Just like, it's amazing how good the quality of these shoes has gotten just over the years, right? Like how to a T they could make them. So sorry, I was wiping my nose while making that little comment. But yeah, like, it's insane how good shoes look these days. So you got the almost black laces. They're not, like I was mentioning in my the review I did for the other pair of these. The laces are not quite black, although they might look like it on camera. They are as close to black as you can get without being black. It's basically, they're like dark gray. So on video it kind of looks like just plain black, but that's more so just because of the flash. So there's a right pair, there's a left pair, or left shoe, whatever, of the pair. You can see how hard that 3M hits. Like, it, no matter how hard I focus on it, it just keeps shining, man. So I really dig the 3M hits on shoes like that do it right. They don't overdo it with the 3M, it just makes it look super clean. So again, there's a Boost. Bottom of the shoe, it is on point. So would I recommend you guys buying from the seller? I don't know, you tell me. Buy from him. I don't condone it, but if you want, spend your money on him. See what, if you guys like your first purchase. I've been rocking with following his Instagram, copping a couple pairs off him, and I have not been disappointed thus far. So don't think it's gonna happen. Let me know what you guys think, comment section down below. With all that being said, if you're new to your channel, you know what to do. Stay blessed. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.